Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Find My and making sure Bluetooth and location are active. This lets your phone query Apple's network. Once done, check the last seen timestamp and map pin to prioritize where to search. Tap play sound right away, you'll hear clear chirps from a connected bud or case. Move slowly through the area, pausing and scanning pockets, cushions, and under furniture. The immediate sound response narrows the search faster than random looking. Once you're in the approximate area, use precision finding on an iPhone with a U1 chip to get distance and directional arrows. This increases accuracy to within inches. Make single, deliberate moves toward the arrow and replay play sound occasionally to confirm proximity. If the buds are offline, watch the Find My map for status changes. Other Apple devices can report their location to you. Also enable Notify when found, so you get a push notification if they reconnect later. If you still can't find them, mark the AirPods as lost in Find My and add a contact message and phone number. This lets someone return them. Retrace recent stops and check lost and found at venues, and contact Apple support for help with serial lookup if necessary. One troubleshooting tip. If play sound never works but location is recent, check the charging case and AirPods battery. Fully charge. Then reset and repair to restore tracking ability before repeating the precision search.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.